Yes, guys, Pictory AI tutorial. Let's go. So, guys, I'm sure you've heard what Pictory is, and Pictory is this fantastic software website that allows you to transform text to videos really, really quickly. Like, I'm so impressed with this. When I discovered it, I couldn't believe what I found, to be honest. So this is Pictory. This is their main website. This is their sort of homepage. And literally all you do is in minutes, you can create fantastic videos of anything and make it into really, really cool videos, AI videos with voiceover, with sound. It's just like, I can't believe how quick it is. So I'm going to show you a very quick demo tutorial of how it works and how you can create it yourself. So guys, I'm going to go to Pictory. I've just opened up Pictory in my own account. So you've got script to video, article to video, which are the ways you can actually do it. Edit videos. You can actually edit videos using text, and then visuals to video. But let's start with the script to video. So, let's just like imagine you want to create a video, right? So let's just say you want to create a video on something, and you want to use some text. So what you do is you go onto the internet very quickly, and you might say, okay, I want to do how to make pizza dough, right? How to make pizza dough, which you might do. So what you do is you try to find some kind of article out there, okay, that exists. Now, obviously, you're gonna sort of, you may use the article, but obviously you're gonna sort of change it so that, obviously, because what's there obviously is going to be something that is copyrighted, and you can't use that. You got to change it. You can't just use it as it is. So here's a step-by-step of making pizza dough, for example, and I'm just going to go to copy, and I'm going to take it to the software, amazing software called Quillbot. Now Quillbot basically changes it so that it's actually written in a different way, okay? So it becomes original, becomes your own work in a sense. Now Quillbot is fantastic, and what it does is it can even change the type of writing, the fluency of the writing, can make it into a formal style, simple style, creative, expand it, make it shorter. This is amazing. But essentially it's great because it allows you to take text and then change it into your own words, which is very important because you want to make sure that your work is your own work and it's original. So if I go to paste, I pasted it now. So this is from the original, the source, if you like, where it says preheat the oven and so on. It explains it. If I click paraphrase now, you can see on the other side, it's changed it, right? So for example, here you've got mix the flour, yeast, salt, sugar together. Let me just get rid of that for a second. Mix the flour, yeast, salt together in a mixing bowl. You can see on this one, it says in a bowl, combine the flour, yeast, salt. So it's changed it. It's changed it completely in a different style. You can even rephrase it again. And yeah, guys, so now what you have is you have an original piece of writing text. Now, you can obviously write it yourself. So if you've got your own text from the origin, if you like, and it's your own from the beginning, that's fine, obviously, too. Just going to take you longer. It's probably easier to look around and see what's out there, and then obviously make sure that you've changed it fully so that it's copyright free and it's your own original work. Okay. And then when you go to copy, obviously, go to Pictory and then go to proceed, right? Let's proceed to script to video. Now check this out. Now I've copied it, right, already. So I'm going to Control V it. Let me just make sure I can Control V it, right? Okay. It's weird. I don't think I got the whole text. Let's see. Sorry. Oh, okay. Yeah, so actually when they've written it, let me just make sure. Okay, they've taken like a part of it. Now don't forget, this is a free version that I'm using. You can actually subscribe to it, to Quillbot, and obviously get the full version where you can actually access all the info. So I'm just gonna leave it up to here to 647 characters, where it's giving me a few of the steps. Okay, there's a few of the steps, not all of them. but I'm going to use it anyway. So the title of the video, what did I type in? Let's see what I typed in at the top on the actual question. How to make pizza dough. All right, so let's put down how to make pizza dough, right? How, let's just imagine I've got a YouTube channel that's about food, and I want to explain to the viewers like how to make pizza dough, and I want to do a video on it, right? So there you go. Go to proceed. Go to proceed. Now I'm going to choose, it could be any style. Let me choose this first one, the lemon. Now I might be choosing the style, but look, it's going to change it up for me because Pictory is so smart. It actually takes the information from the text and it creates a storyboard for you based on what your words are and what you're saying. So I would definitely like, I mean, it's amazing, guys, because actually like it is smart. It is AI. It understands what it is that you're trying to do and it adapts itself for that. So check this out, guys. This is crazy. Like even when I first saw this, I thought, wow, sometimes I spend so long doing videos. I mean, to be honest, you know, obviously, you know, doing your own videos are important, but, you know, check this out, guys. Just look at this. Let me just click preview for a second. Let's have a look at this. Oh, they just took because it had steps. So mad, so literal. Right, check this out, guys. This is the main bit, right? See, let me just do something with the text because I'm not really, I think it's way too big. And look, you can do anything you want with the text. Change the colors, do whatever you want with it. Change the style, change the size. That's tiny. That's tiny, guys. Let me go 22. 22 might be better. I think 22 is fine. Yeah, come on, there you go. Yeah, that's better. I'm going to leave it like that. I'm just going to apply it to all just for now. And I'm going to preview this one because look, did you see how it's got like the video related to what I'm saying? So look at this. Crazy. Don't know why they got chicken though. Yeah, see, that one probably needs to change. Right, let's go to the next one. Let me just see what that one is. See, look, this one is more related. Do you see what I'm saying, guys? Look, because it says pizza, they managed to get a pizza video. Let me play this. I like this a lot. Look at this. Might change the music, but I'll see. Anyways, check this out, guys. So let's get a voiceover. This one, look, this scene, I'll definitely take this one out. You know, with the chicken, because it doesn't make sense. I need to get a pizza video, right? Let me upload voiceover very quickly. Let's get a voiceover. I could record my own voice. You can record your own voice, guys, but I would say like they got some good ones here. Anyway, like look at this.
Welcome to Pictory.
Let me get the female voice.
Welcome to Pictory.
I'm gonna use that one, Ava. Apply. Did I apply it? Right, let's preview all of this now, quickly. Let's just see what it looks like. Remember, like 2 minutes, right? Very quick, guys. I just quickly done this. No time at all, right? Check it out, guys. Check this out. Getting nervous now. Wonder what it's going to look like. Gee. It's gonna look crazy with a voiceover as well. Come on, but that music, might have to change that music, but let's just see how it looks now. Come on, 98. Come on. But guys, can you look? Basically, look, what have we done? Really, not much. Yeah, we just got the text, and then it's gonna create the videos very quickly. Okay, that's literally all it is. I think my internet is a bit slow, you know, because this was way like, there you go.
By steps. Before beginning to create the dough, preheat the oven to the highest setting it will support, about 240 degrees Celsius, fan 220 degrees Celsius, gas 9. To get really hot, place 2 large baking trays or a couple of pizza stones in. In a bowl, combine the flour, yeast, salt, and sugar. Create a well in the center, add the oil, and then 225 milliliters of water to form a dough. Spread out the dough and knead it for 1 minute, just until it's smooth, on a floured surface. When you prepare the toppings for the pizza, leave to rest beneath the turned-up bowl. Time to assemble the pizzas. 1 ball at a time, roll out to a diameter of about 25 centimeters on a lightly dusted surface.
Yes, guys, what do you reckon? Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all, guys. Look at that. Quick video. Done. Now, granted, you know, I would change some things. You know, there's like the chicken video that doesn't relate. I'll change that up. Makes no sense. But look at the rest of it. It's not bad, was it? All right. Even when there was one image, one video that also could have been different slightly. But look, you know, amazing, right? That quick, and you can just use it for anything, guys. And you can change the videos, change the sound, whatever you want, guys. Sorry, that's my phone. But yeah, guys, so that's what you do. Let me just switch it off. So that's what you do, guys. Guys, I hope you liked the video. Remember, look, I got all the free trials for Pictory, and also, like, when you want to do your thumbnail, just so you know, like, I use something called Canva, which is amazing. I know I got simple videos. Look at my videos; they're very simple, but Canva is amazing. You know, you can create all kinds
By
of
steps.
videos.
Before beginning to create the dough, preheat the oven.
Yeah, let's get rid of that chicken. So yeah, check out all the free trials in the description, guys. If you did like the video, also please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and check out my other videos on the playlist, guys. Definitely worth watching. Guys, take care. See you in the next one.